Hello everyone, today I will show you how to print a PDF file as reverse order. That means I will print this PDF file as last page to first page. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor, and this left side top corner you will find this printer option, or press Ctrl P for your keyboard, or select this file option. Here you can open print option. This printer dialog box now open, and here select your printer, Foxit PDF Editor printer, and you can select all page or specific page range. I select all page, and here you will find this reverse page order, and all of them remain similar, same fit to page printer margin. Now select OK and save as. Stop, save, and see this. All of this page now printed as last page, and first page as last page, and see this, and first one, and it's printed. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.